got me acting out. You, all tenderness is out the window. What you do to me when the cold bites blue is straight cruel. Oh, it has to be you leaving writings on the wall. You promised me roses and hungry haze, but now there's only madness. Got me feeling dusty, got me feeling dusty. And I can't even whisper and it's hard to see. Don't take my hand away me. Please tell me it's a dream. A dream. The worst kind you've ever dreamed. Don't wanna lay another night here without you. Don't wanna walk another mile. I just can't. So please don't make me do it, 'cause I got too much to lose. I got too much to lose. Now lay me in the wilderness to dry up bits of your sweet caress. I can't weep no more. Oh, willow trees have died and the last horn lark will fly. Got me feeling dusty, got me feeling dusty. Please tell me it's a dream. Worst kind you've ever dreamed. Oh, I don't wanna lay another night. Don't wanna walk another mile. I just can't. So please don't make me do it, 'cause I got too much to lose. I got too much to lose. Easy rider on the highway, station wagon going slow. Windows open, you are basking in the bluegrass radio. It is easy now to see you with your hand out on the wind. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Pink azaleas by your driveway, shade our leisurely goodbyes. In your terry cotton sweater, with your arms sweeping the sky. It was then I had a knowing. You were waving till the bend. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. off day, and your shadow to the coast, past the surf and whitewashed beaches, under cypress trees and smoke, carved like lovers into driftwood. On this moment I depend. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I